In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up an Airtable base. Backing up your Airtable data is a smart habit, especially if you rely on it for projects, records, content planning, or team collaboration. Even though Airtable is cloud-based, it's still important to keep your own copy of key information so you can restore data, review past versions, or simply have peace of mind. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple and practical way to do that. Start by opening the Airtable base you want to back up. Before doing anything else, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct base, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or similar projects. It's a good idea to quickly review the tables inside so you know exactly what needs to be preserved. Next, export each important table or view as a CSV file. This gives you a downloadable version of your data that can be stored locally, uploaded to cloud storage, or opened later in spreadsheet software if needed. As you go through your base, focus on the tables or filtered views that matter most. If your base contains several sections, repeat the export process for each one so nothing essential gets missed. Keep your files organized with clear names so they're easy to identify later. After that, download any important attachments separately if needed. CSV exports usually capture the structured data, but files such as images, documents, or other uploaded assets may need extra attention. If those attachments are valuable to your workflow, make sure you save copies of them as well. This helps ensure your backup includes not just the records, but also the supporting materials connected to them. For a more automated approach, use a backup tool such as Pro Backup or another backup service that supports Airtable. This is especially helpful if you want regular backups without having to repeat the manual process every time. Automated tools can save time and reduce the chance of forgetting an important backup. Once you've chosen your backup tool, connect your Airtable account to it. During this step, carefully review the permissions being requested so you understand what the tool can access. Connecting the account properly is what allows the service to locate your bases and create backups for you. Then select the base you want to back up. If the tool offers multiple options, make sure you choose the correct one. Some services may also let you define how often backups happen, but the key part here is confirming the right base is selected. Finally, check that the backup files are saved and accessible. Don't skip this last step. A backup is only useful if you can actually find it and open it when needed. Verify that the exported files, downloaded attachments, or automated backup records are stored in the expected location and can be accessed without issues. And that's how to back up an Airtable base safely and reliably.